Okay, here we go. Nobody's on final?
Yeah, nobody's on final.
I know there's traffic on downwind. Petaluma traffic, Skyhawk 950, almost get rank, taking runway 29 for a right downwind departure, Petaluma. Alright, here we go. There's the traffic on the downwind, we're looking good.
Petaluma traffic, 27 Toronto, turning right crossing, Petaluma.
And full power. Temperature pressure is in the green. Speed is alive, 35 knots. Alright, climb out 79. Temperature pressure is in the green. Everything is looking good. Nose down, let's accelerate. Petaluma traffic, Skyhawk 950, almost keep making right crosswind. Runway 29, right downwind departure, Petaluma. Alright, to the right. Petaluma traffic, Skyhawk 950, almost keep making right downwind turn, runway 29, right downwind departure, Petaluma. Petaluma traffic, Skyhawk 950, almost gate 1,500, right downwind departure, runway 29, last call, Petaluma. Okay, let's go on course. It's going to be a little bit of a different approach for us into the city. And NorCal Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey 2500 just departed Petaluma via phone request.
November 9501 Whiskey NorCal, go ahead.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is a Cessna 172 Flying Golf, just departed Petaluma 2500. I'd like to be a far flight following for Baytour and then departure to Concord.
November 01 Whiskey, squawk 5313, I-10, the open altimeter 3008.
3008, 5313, I-10, 950 Whiskey.
Whiskey, ready to contact 6 miles to the west of Skaggs Island, VOR 2500. For your tours to stay north and west of the Bay Bridge outside of Bravo.
Stay north and west of the Bay Bridge and outside of Bravo, 9501 Whiskey. There's nobody in my area, looks good. Except the big 777 going up. Alright, 1,600, that looks good. Actually, I don't know if we're going to catch any of the bridge because...
You will. It's coming this way.
Yeah. Yeah, the wind is coming from the right. It's like so picturesque today, man.
Oh no. This is like the clearest I ever seen.
All right, so I'm gonna come over here, and then I'm gonna make a left turn above the bridge. It might get a little bumpy here because of the wind blowing over the hills, so we'll just keep an eye out for that. This is a decent altitude. Might come down a little bit lower, 1,500, 1,400. And let's navigate toward the tower. Yeah, here's the wind from the left at 16 knots. Yeah, that ship is way under the cover there. All right. And I want to do one more turn and then go back toward the downtown, climb up to 2,500. All right, altitude is good. Right on the tower, beautiful. Speed is good. Leave it alone. And here comes smooth air.
This is 49004, NorCal approach, squawk 5312.
5312, 004.
Looking good.
NorCal approach, skyline 285.
I'm going to go in between Bank of America Building and Salesforce, make a left turn around Salesforce Tower. Let's go up to 2,000.
Skyline 285, Charlie Sierra, NorCal approach, open altimeter 3006.
3006, 5 Charlie Sierra.
Number 7, Juliet Delta, contact Oakland Tower, 118.3.
118.3, 7 Juliet Delta.
NorCal, Cherokee 553 Tango Papa over at Point San Pablo 3100 inbound Oakland with Papa.
Cherokee 553 Tango Papa, NorCal approach.
Actually going to go right over, right over Transamerica Building. All right, maintain altitude. Coming up over the downtown, 2,000. Slow down a little bit. Speed is good.
Cal 866 is headed to San Pablo Bay for some air work.
866, roger.
Looking good. is smooth. Okay, I've got nobody here. I got actually somebody 500 feet above me.
Altitude.
Alright, I'm going to bring it down to 1,000. And we're going to do an orbit around Alcatraz.
01 with you, additional traffic, got one at 1 o'clock, mile and a half, southwestbound, 1,000 feet above Skyhawk. There's another one about 12 o'clock and 3
altitude.
miles, currently towards Treasure Island, 1,900 feet to Mooney.
Okay, well, we're looking for that traffic. Negative visual. We're going to do an orbit around Treasure Island, then departing to Concord.
Alcatraz.
Number 5, Mike Papa, traffic on the east side of Alcatraz, turn to westbound, 1,000 feet to Skyhawk.
He's in sight, 5 Mike Papa.
And correction, orbit around Alcatraz, 950.
Thank you. Number 65504, contact NorCal approach 125.35.
125.35, 4.
I'll get blown in the wind, but it's cool. We're pretty close. And NorCal Skyhawk 950 Whiskey, thank you for your help. We're departing to Concord.
01 with you, Roger. Supervisor, you have X-ray. Their altimeter is 3003.
3003, Wilco and X-ray, 950 Whiskey.
Hawk 01 with you, 900 miles from Buchanan. No observed traffic between the airport. Radar service is terminated. Squawk 1200. Freak change approved.
Squawk VFR, freak change approved. Thank you, 950 Whiskey. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 950 Whiskey is 10 to the west with X-ray full stop.
Skyhawk 950 Whiskey, Concord Tower, Roger. Do you have a remote on request?
Negative. We can take 3 to left if that works best for you, or we can do left traffic for 3 to right if that's all right.
That's Skyhawk 01 Whiskey. You can make left traffic and for runway 3 to your right. And you can report that left base if you'd like, or the left down one.
Okay, we'll report left downwind, 3 to right, 950 Whiskey. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Cessna 01 Whiskey, traffic heading
altitude.
left wing Bonanza. It has you inside, they're trying to go south. They're going to pass behind you.
Well, we've got them inside, 950 Whiskey. Thank you.
First thing.
And Concord Tower, Skyhawk 950 Whiskey, left downwind, runway 3 to right.
Cessna 01, correction, Cessna 01 Whiskey, runway 3 to right, clear to land.
3 to right, clear to land, 950 Whiskey. Look at the wind I'm getting here. From the right, 24 knots. I'm getting blown directly over to...
Bonanza 15 Delta Tango.
To the runways.
They're
Okay, we're a beam.
4 miles southeast of the
1500.
airport, northwest.
Below 110, flaps 10.
4,400. Type is unknown. Correction to Cessna, and you can contact NorCal 120.9 for your flight following. Have a good day.
Alex traffic 120.9, 5 Delta Tango, take care.
85, looking good. I'm going to start making our left turn. Not going to get too fast. I'll keep it 85, 75.
Altitude.
All landings are soft field landings. Runway 32 coming up on base. Power back, below 85. Yes, please. Yes, flaps 20. Alright, here we go. And flaps 30, please. Wind is on the nose, looks good. Add power. Wind is kind of variable. What is the sock showing? Oh, it's down the runway. Power back. I'm just getting a lot of updrafts from the city.
Yep.
Power back, a little fast. Power back. Power idle. Alright, 1. Ground effect. Let her settle down. Here it comes, here it comes. Beautiful. Okay.
Very nice.
And we can probably get off on that.
Yeah, you can get it over here. For sure.
Cessna 0 and Whiskey left, turn off, contact ground for day.
Left on Alpha, would have gone, 950, thanks.